you got me feeling cool. Ooh, you got me feeling blue. Something about you so see-through. Something just ain't right by you. Yeah, can I do you like I? You like I? Can I do you like I? Yellow, yellow, it hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go. Heartbreaks and heartaches, we tried too many times. Heartbreaks and heartaches.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, so the unit I am rocking was sent to me by Geeta Hair. You guys know I love saying Geeta. I don't even know if I'm saying it right, but I love saying Geeta. Okay, shout out to you, Geeta. Like, they always come through with the come through. They have never disappointed. Okay, period. Okay, y'all, so let me go ahead and give you guys the details and spec. All right, y'all, so the unit that I am rocking is their 13x6 lace wig, 30 inches. Good, yes, I said it. 30 inches, 250% density, and it says 3D body hair. I don't know what that means, but the wig did come pre-curled and all of the things. Now, they didn't send me a direct link, so I can't go on their site to give you guys more details and specs. I'm gonna give you the details and specs that I have. This unit did come pre-bleached. I didn't even have to add any of my mousse or anything to this lace. It came pre-bleached, it came pre-tweezed. Now, I did have to cut the lace, and honey, she is definitely giving all the 13x6 a realness that you're gonna need, okay? Like, y'all also get into this hairline. Like, what? Okay, get your little John on, girl. What? Okay, like, period. With this wig, it was easy to apply. I did have to cut some of the lace, so I'm gonna say that this unit does appear to be more big head friendly than not. I think you could make it work across the board because it does have that elastic band in the back, but I do feel like this particular size, which I am an average cap size, so like I always tell you guys, do whatever you want to do with it, girl. Okay, I'm an average cap size, but in my opinion, I think you can make this wig work across the board, but I do feel like it is geared more to medium to large head friendly than small to medium head friendly. Now, as far as shedding and tangling and all the things, honey, oh girl did none of the things. Honey, I plugged up my curling iron thinking I was gonna curl old girl, but old girl is already curled, okay? Old girl is already curled. It's like getting a wig that is pre-styled. Now, I did want to go ahead and talk about the style that I did. Now, it came in a C part. You guys know I live for a C part. The style they wanted me to put I'll put it somewhere on the screen so you guys can see it. I'm fully capable of doing said style, but I want this C part. I love a C part, and when I went to parting it, it looked weird. I ain't like it. I like it as a C part, but I did add the ponytails. Now, I'm not gonna lie, old girl was rocking the look that she got with the middle part. It just shows you guys the versatility of this wig. I personally wanted to do it as a side chick, okay, with the side part. Hers was a middle gang, but it lets you know that you can do all the things with this wig, and I love that for me, okay? I even love this cutesy little style that I wouldn't normally rock at my big age of 35, okay? But I like the overall look nonetheless. Yeah, and once again, honey, get into this hairline. Get into this lace, girl. Get into it. Geeta. You never disappoint. Moving on to my details, my pros and cons was a full 360, girl, so you can see that oh good come almost to my butt curled up. Okay, so let's get into it. Alright, y'all, so you guys know I like to start with the cons because I like to end on a high note. My con with this wig is there is no con, girl. Okay, there is no con with this wig. I'm not gonna hold y'all. Geeta never disappoints me. They never disappoint me. There are no cons with this unit whatsoever. Moving on. My pros is hairline, amazing. Hair, amazing. Density, amazing. Do I feel like it's beginner friendly? Yes. Like, I do feel like you can make it work even if you are a beginner, because it already came pre-bleached, it already came pre-tweezed, it already came pre-everything, okay, except cutting the lace off. So yeah, like, the pros are endless when it comes to this wig, in my humble opinion. Girl, didn't you hear my pros? And the fact that I ain't have no cons, obviously I would recommend this wig. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And I'm gonna stand up so you guys can really see it. Keep in mind I am 5'4". Here's a length check. Yeah, she long, girl. She long. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, sound off down below in the comments. Let me know what you guys think about Oh Girl. If it's a look, it's a vibe, it's all the things for y'all, because Oh Girl is all the things for me. Sound off down below in the comments. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you are feeling her. Once again, shout out to you, Geeta, but coming through with the come through like you always do. Shout out to you, boo. And if you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all. That's all. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions and you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click that subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Health to Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love folks next time. Bye.
Your love completely got every style.